Moving on, our sources have told Times Now that the Solicitor General Gopal Subramaniam has in fact offered to resign from his post. According to highly placed sources, the move comes after the recent rap from the Supreme Court. Political editor Navika Kumar with the details.
Well, from what we do understand, Solicitor General Gopal Subramaniam has offered to resign from his position, but from what we do understand at this moment, that resignation has not been accepted so far. The reason for this offer of resignation is very clear. There have been severe observations made by the Supreme Court in the past few days. In fact, in both cases, the black money case where the Supreme Court appointed an SIT as well as the Salwa Judum case, the Supreme Court has rapped the government severely. It is on the basis of this, from what our sources tell us, that Mr. Gopal Subramaniam, the Solicitor General, has offered to resign. From what we also understand, that the highest echelons in the government not quite happy with the handling of these cases in the Supreme Court, which is why there is some internal disturbance within the legal setup in the government, and that is why we heard about this offer of resignation from Solicitor General. We'll have to wait and watch how Law Minister Veerappa Moily really reacts to this entire issue. So far, no official word from the government on this entire controversy.